If you need to create a UML diagram in Lucidchart, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you the fastest way to build a clean UML diagram using a template, and I'll also show you how to create one from scratch if you want full control. This is a great method for class diagrams, use case diagrams, and other system design visuals. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Lucidchart account. Once you're on the dashboard, click the New button. From there, choose Create from Template. This is the easiest way to get started because Lucidchart already gives you a structured layout that you can customize instead of building everything manually. Now, in the template gallery, search for UML. You'll see a range of options depending on the type of diagram you want to make. For example, you might choose a class diagram template or a use case diagram template. Pick the one that best matches your project, then click Use Template. This instantly loads the diagram into your workspace, which saves a lot of time and makes the process much smoother. Once your template opens, take a close look at the shapes and connections that are already in place. The first thing you'll want to do is edit the placeholders. To do that, simply double-click on any shape and type in your own class names, actor names, attributes, or method details. If you need to change the structure, you can move shapes around, resize them, or delete anything you don't need. Next, use the connectors to adjust the relationships between elements. UML diagrams rely on clean, accurate connections, so make sure your lines properly represent inheritance, associations, dependencies, or any other relationship your diagram needs. Lucidchart makes this easy by letting you drag and reconnect shapes without having to start over. After that, you can customize the diagram so it looks more polished and easier to read. Use the toolbar at the top to change colors, fonts, line styles, and shapes. This is helpful if you want to organize different parts of the diagram visually or match a specific branding style. You can also add more UML elements or remove unnecessary ones to keep the diagram focused and simple. If you prefer to create a UML diagram from scratch, that's easy too. Start by opening a blank document. Then go to the Shapes panel on the left side. If you don't see UML shapes right away, click Shape Libraries and enable UML. Once that library is turned on, you'll have access to all the common UML shapes you need. From there, drag and drop shapes onto the canvas. You can add a class, interface, actor, use case, or package depending on the kind of diagram you're building. After placing the shapes, use the connectors to build the relationships between them. Then double-click each shape to add names, attributes, methods, or other details. This gives you complete flexibility if you're designing a diagram from a blank starting point. A good tip here is to keep your UML diagram clean and consistent. Use clear naming, avoid overcrowding the canvas, and make sure every connector has a purpose. That will make your diagram much easier to understand whether you're sharing it with a team, a client, or a professor. And that's it. Now you know how to create a UML diagram in Lucidchart using a template or by starting from scratch. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful guides, and let me know in the comments what software tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.